3, 2, 1, here we go. Simplify fully this algebraic fraction. The way to do this is you should pick the numerator or the denominator. That is a lot easier. If we look at this, which is easier, the top or the bottom? It is the bottom. Whenever we see simplify fully in algebraic fractions, this is code word for factorize. I've said this to so many students. This is the way to do these questions. Look at the bottom. 2x squared and 6x. What's the maximum factor we can take out? It's 2x. Inside, it will be x minus 3. This is the code. Can you see the bracket x minus 3 on the bottom? That means it will also be x minus 3 on the top. Because we look ahead, we think like the examiner. It has to cancel eventually. Look at the first term. This is the term to focus on. What times what will be 3x squared? Well, x is already here, so the other term must be 3x. It must be 3x here. Put that in white. And now we look ahead. The number 3. Minus 3 times what will be minus 3? It will be plus 1. You see this expression? You see the numerator on the top? Well, just expand to check. It's got to be exactly the same thing that they wrote up top. So if we quickly expand this, this will be 3x squared minus 9x plus 1x minus 3. If we collect everything, minus 9x plus 1x equals minus 8x. So you need to make sure it is the same, and it is. That's the middle term. That's really the hardest thing to get right when we're doing this expanding. It's exactly the same. Minus 9x plus 1x equals minus 8x. And here is the good thing. The top and bottom, they have something that cancels, so we are left with the final answer, which is this. Top over bottom, we have 3x plus 1 over 2x. You can split this up into 2, because that's how fractions work. Or you can keep it like this. So what do I mean, split it up? So this is the same as 3x over 2x plus 1 over 2x. And then we have it done. We can also cancel. For the first red fraction, there's an x on top, so cancel. So we're left with 3 over 2. And then the other one is still the same, 1 over 2x. We cannot do anything. You could write it like this if you want, half x. It's the same thing. Half times the x is the same as 1 over 2x. Actually, that's not true. Ignore me. Ignore me. The x is on the bottom. Ignore the thing I just said. It's like a bracket around it. Good. So we have simplified this type of algebraic fraction. Let's do a few more examples and then we're good. Simplify this one. Okay, you see the top, x squared minus 81. 81 is a special kind of number. It is a square number, so this is x plus 9 over x minus 9. That is the difference of two squares. Let's factorize the bottom as well. Think of it, what times what is 90, and it'll also add to give 19. And the clue is, you look at the top as well. Can you see on the bottom there are two plus signs? So really, the bottom has to be a plus sign as well. X and then what? Well, really, now we think of the last term. 9 times what is equal to 90? Well, that will be 10. And there we go. That's how we factorize. The examples here, the white, blue, and green, they are easier than the previous one, but I just wanted to extend this video a little bit. You can always expand each set of brackets just to check. If you look at the denominator, if you expand that bottom, expand like this, x squared plus 10x plus 9x plus 90, that'll be 19x. Now they cancel. So really that is the final answer, x minus 9 over x plus 10. Let's do the same thing with the blue one. Difference of two squares again. If we look at the top, 49 is 7 times 7, so we can write it like x plus 7, x minus 7. If you're not sure about this numerator, we can quickly expand just to check. So we have x squared plus 7x minus 7x minus 49. This is the important bit. Can you see the middle terms? 7x minus 7x, they cancel. That's the whole point of this, and then it looks exactly like the numerator. Now the bottom, well, we look ahead. We look ahead and they're being a bit nice. What do I mean? There's a minus sign, so you see the minus, it's got to be on the bottom as well. Now think of it like getting the last term. Can you see there's minus 35 as the last term? So really think of it, minus 7 times what will be minus 5, and that will be plus 5. If you're not sure, just expand. You see that denominator? I'm just going to expand here. X squared minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Look at the middle terms. Minus 7x plus 5x is minus 2x. So really, You've done it correctly. And then the last bit as well, minus 7 times plus 5 is minus 35. So really we have factorized the numerator and the denominator. Look at top and bottom. Can you see the bracket is the same? They are the same, so they cancel. So we have the final answer, x plus 7 over x plus 5. Let's do the green one as well. The good thing about this is this YouTube video. You can always pause and then go back. Let's get rid of all this now. Let's get rid of all this now, and let's focus on the green bit. It's the same technique. Same technique. Look at the top. X squared minus 64. Well, 64 is a square number. Write it with me. X plus 8, x minus 8. And then on the bottom, well, there's a minus and a minus, so it's got to be minus on the bottom as well. It's like you're cheating a little bit, but cheating in a clever way. X minus 8 must be one of the brackets because you look ahead, thinking like the examiner. With these simplified questions, there has to be a bracket that's the same as top and bottom. Look at the number at the end. Minus 8 times what equals minus 56? Well, 8 times 7 is 56, so it works out. And if you're not sure, let's just expand that bottom again. Expand the denominator, x squared minus 8x plus 7x minus 56. Look at the middle terms, you collect them. Minus 8x plus 7x equals minus 1x, and that matches here. That matches here. So I thought it was useful to do this white, blue and green question. Just more practice with simplifying. In the real GCSE exam, I can bet 99% sure. You know what? 100% sure these kind of questions will come up. Top and bottom, the same bracket cancels, so we're left with the final answer. X plus 8 over x plus 7. These questions are useful for the next step. They might set this equal to a number, like equal to 2. So this is equal to 2, and then you rearrange it, and then you keep solving. That's really the next level kind of question to solve. Good, we're 6 minutes in, job done. My normal way to end these videos. Top left corner and bottom left corner will be 2 more useful maths videos on my channel for you to keep learning, to keep improving your GCSE math skills.